Today I'm going to show you how to make 50-to-1 mix and 40-to-1 mix for gas and oil. So, one, get a gas can or whatever. Make sure you mark it gas and oil. That way you don't use it in the wrong equipment. I'm going to fill this up with some gas first. So for 1 gallon, use 2.6 ounces for 50-to-1 mix. For 1 gallon of 40-to-1 mix, use 3.2 ounces. Open the cap. And we're going to fill up to that lower line. So I'm at that 2.6 ounces. So if you did a gallon, that would be good. Now, since I have 2 gallons, I'm going to want to do that twice. Put the cap back on everything. Generally, I'll just let that mix around a little bit. So that's how you make gas oil mix at 50-to-1 and 40-to-1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.